no sugar, no milk, and no butter. These are so good, and in 5 minutes they are ready. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome, and if you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. Let us make these delicious snacks that will be good for you for Christmas to entertain your guests. So let's get started. So guys, we are using just flour, salt, baking powder, cooking oil, onions, and then water to mix. You can see little ingredients but something mighty. So let's get started. In your bowl, you mix in your flour. I always say sieve your flour so that you don't add any particles that will come with the flour. So I'm using 2 cups here. You can increase the quantity if you want more. So this is the sieve flour. I'll add in some baking powder. I'll add in some salt for taste. I'll now add in cooking oil. After that, I'll now get my onions because we are going to flavor this our flakes with onions. So what I'll do now, this is the grater. I'll take the smaller part of the grater and now begin to grate the onions into it. So after grating like 1 tablespoon of onions in the bowl, you now use your hand to rub like this until it is well combined. So guys, if you are following me for the first time, I say thank you so very much. And if you have been here, also thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. Let me know where you are watching from so I can always give you a hug. So you continue to rub it in until everything is married very, very well. And when this is done, you now get your water, room temperature water, and begin to add gently. Don't add the water at once, just be adding gently because you don't want it to be a running dough or running batter. So keep adding until you now get a hard dough. This is so delicious. This is so good. It doesn't last on my kitchen counter because before I come, they will all rush it. My kids will all rush it and finish it at home. So I always make this at home, and you can always also use this to start a business if you're a stay-at-home mom or you just want to start a business. It is so easy to make, and you just need little ingredients for this. So keep rubbing until a dough is formed. You can see a dough is formed. We'll now keep it to rest for 5 minutes and then we'll continue. After 5 minutes, you now flour your work surface and begin to roll. You roll until it is so thin. So this is the dough. You now begin to roll. If you don't have rolling pin, you can use a clean bottle or anything that is suitable for you to roll. But you have to roll until it is very thin. Guys, you can see how thin the cutting or the rolling is. You can even use your hand to cut this, but I want to be a bit fast, so I'm going to be using my pizza cutter to cut. You can cut into any shape that is there to cut. It doesn't need any formalities for this, so you just cut anyhow that you want to cut it. I tell you, this doesn't take more than 5 minutes to make. It's so easy and you use minimal ingredient for this. So after cutting with your pizza cutter, you now get your scraper, scrape in a plate. While this is being done, the oil is already heating up on the fire so that you can begin to fry. To know if the oil is hot, just add 1 strand of the dough. So you can see the oil is hot now. What I'll do, I have to flavor the oil more. So I'll add in these onions, I'll add in some pepper, then I'll now bring in our cut flakes. After adding, you now stir to loosen up those that are joined together so that they'll now separate. You now fry very well until they are golden brown, and guys, you are done. This is so easy to make. In less than 5 minutes, this is done. I call it chop 1, chop 2 because it doesn't last in my house. After making, they all rush it and finish it in one sitting. So guys, I want you to try this, and it's also good for you to try it this festive season. So keep frying until it is golden brown. At this point, guys, see what we have, and the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. If you could see, you can see people around me, they are waiting to take their turn in taking it. So you keep on frying until they look more golden brown. Then you can take them out and put in a paper towel to take out the excess oil. They are okay now. I'll bring them out and just put them in the paper towel to take out the excess oil. I think you should save this for Christmas because it is so easy to make. You can serve this to your guests. So guys, this is what we have now. So you can take out the onions and the pepper and then throw away. So what you do now is to get your tray and you now spread them in the tray. Allow it to get cool. When it is cool, you now get an airtight container and then pour them in to be used or to stay as long as much as you want it when you want to serve your guests or the kids, or you want to choose. It's good for adults, it's good for children. So this is the end of this our video today, guys. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.